Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chemicals inside many plastics can leak into food. I recommend against using plastics while reheating food in the microwave. The materials used in containers designed for hot liquids, including styrofoam, are generally safe in the microwave, unless they get really hot, above boiling temperature for water. 0.11 June 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
As mentioned, styrofoam, or polystyrene foam, is a type of soft plastic. It's unwise to microwave some types of plastic because the act of heating these plastics can release toxic chemicals that are used to help stabilize the plastic, which can then get into your food. 10 July 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In all, microwaving ramen in a styrofoam cup is extremely dangerous. Microwaving ramen in a styrofoam cup can raise serious concerns to your body and your microwave oven. And it's never a good idea to microwave ramen in a styrofoam cup, or put any styrofoam container in a microwave. 7 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.